Díomh Galéir, Darragh O'Brien here, Minister for Housing, Local Government and Heritage. And I just want to give you an update. I'm really very pleased to announce some significant changes to planning rules for cafes and restaurants and indeed bars that are serving food outside. Just some small measures that I believe will make our life a bit easier for our cafe owners, our restaurants and our pub owners. In response to COVID-19 and the outbreak and the pandemic that everyone has been going through, at the outset last year, the Oireachtas approved temporary regulations to allow restaurants to operate as takeaways without needing to change their planning permission. This exemption was due to run out, but I'm now extending it to the end of 2021 and I'll keep it under review. So that's being done. We're also going to provide for a zero-fee street furniture licence for 2021. Typically, the annual fee per table is €125, but this year I'm waiving it, and I've told our local authorities that it must be waived, and it will be. Again, I'll keep that under review. Finally, though, we're also amending the existing street furniture licence to introduce awnings and coverings as a new class under the street furniture regime. So this though will be a permanent change and a permanent arrangement, and we'll make such structures and take them, out of the planning system. So you won't require planning permission for awnings and that, again, to help, through not just the summer months but other months that we can do more things outside. It's also been agreed that no fee will be inserted for this, so it'll be covered under the same street furniture licence and fee arrangements as tables and chairs on an ongoing basis. These are just some simple steps that I've worked with the Restaurants Association of Ireland and others and worked that through with them over a number of months, which I'm taking as Minister and which the government are taking in recognition of the really hard times which the hospitality sector has faced through the pandemic. We all want to help them open up and prosper as quickly as possible, and that's why I'm doing that, but we must do it safely. Making outdoor dining that bit easier will definitely help. So they're the two sets of regulations. They'll be signed next week into law. Gurumina Mahagud Galéir.